Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the startup sound on your Mac, so your Mac stays silent when you turn it on. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, click on Sound in the sidebar. Now, on the right side, look for the option that says Play Sound on Startup. If this option is turned on, your Mac will make a sound every time it powers on. Simply click the toggle to turn it off. That's it. Your Mac will now start up silently. If you ever want the startup sound back, just come back to the same setting and turn it on again. Also, keep in mind that lowering your Mac's volume before shutting it down can help reduce or completely mute the startup sound as well. Alright, that's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.